Are you ready to explore some luxurious and tantalizing recipes? Today we dive into the world of culinary opulence, where food is not just sustenance but an extravagant experience. We'll journey through dishes like seared scallops with lemon butter sauce, truffle mushroom risotto, and the decadence of chocolate lava cakes. We'll also delve into the richness of pan-seared foie gras, the freshness of salmon with dill cream sauce, and end on a sweet note with berry mascarpone parfait. Prepare your taste buds for a luxurious culinary journey. First on the menu, we have the elegant seared scallops with lemon butter sauce. This dish, a true classic, marries the richness of the sea with the tangy zest of lemon in a delightful symphony of flavors. To begin, we take our fresh scallops and pat them dry. This is a crucial step as it ensures that our scallops will achieve that perfect sear. Season them lightly with salt and pepper to enhance their natural flavor. Next, we heat a skillet over medium-high heat and add a generous dollop of butter. The scallops are then seared for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they reach a beautiful golden brown hue. This step is all about timing. Too short and they're undercooked, too long and they become rubbery. While our scallops are resting, we shift our focus to the lemon butter sauce. This quick and easy sauce starts with melted butter, to which we add minced garlic for a kick of flavor. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice provides the perfect tang, and a pinch of red pepper flakes gives it a subtle heat. The final step is to drizzle this heavenly sauce over our beautifully seared scallops. The buttery richness of the sauce complements the delicate sweetness of the scallops, creating a dish that is both simple and luxurious. And voila, a delectable dish that's sure to impress. This seared scallops with lemon butter sauce is a testament to the magic that can happen when fresh ingredients meet simple techniques. Next, we have the creamy and rich truffle mushroom risotto. Now this dish is a symphony of flavors, combining the earthy delight of mushrooms with the luxurious touch of truffle oil. Let's dive right into the process. It all begins with sautéing diced mushrooms in butter until they're golden and aromatic. The key here is patience. You want to let those mushrooms gently cook, releasing their flavors and soaking up the butter. Then comes the arborio rice. This type of rice is perfect for risotto, as it absorbs liquids and flavors, yet still remains firm. You'll want to toast it lightly in the pan with the mushrooms, just for a minute. The next stage requires a little bit of time, but it's worth every second. You'll slowly add hot chicken or vegetable broth, one ladle at a time, stirring constantly until each ladleful is absorbed. This gradual addition of liquid is what gives risotto its characteristic creaminess. Once your rice is cooked and creamy, it's time for the grand finale. You'll finish your risotto with a generous sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese, a drizzle of truffle oil, and a scattering of freshly chopped parsley. The cheese adds a delightful richness, the truffle oil provides an indulgent earthiness, and the parsley brings a pop of freshness to balance it all out. There you have it, a luxurious risotto that's absolutely divine. This truffle mushroom risotto is truly a dish that promises a memorable culinary experience, an epitome of luxury on a plate. Moving on to our main course, the succulent herb-crusted rack of lamb. This dish is a celebration of flavors, worthy of any special occasion. To start, we'll need a beautiful rack of lamb. The key to a perfect lamb dish lies in the seasoning. We'll rub the rack of lamb with a mixture of minced garlic and freshly chopped herbs. Rosemary, thyme, and parsley are the stars here, their aromatic essence pairing wonderfully with the natural flavor of the lamb. A dash of salt and pepper will enhance these flavors further, creating a beautiful symphony on the palate. Now comes the searing process. Place the seasoned rack of lamb in a hot pan with a drizzle of olive oil. The pan's heat will sear the lamb, browning it on all sides. This process locks in the flavors and gives the outside of the lamb a delightful crispiness. Once the lamb is beautifully seared, it's time to transfer it to a preheated oven. The roasting process will cook the lamb to perfection. Set the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. 12 to 15 minutes should do the trick for a medium-rare finish. This is a dish that truly embodies luxury, with its rich flavors and tender, juicy meat. The herb crust gives it an extra layer of flavor and texture, making it a true culinary delight. And there you have a deliciously juicy and flavorful lamb dish. Now, let's delve into the sweet world with our decadent chocolate lava cakes. This dessert is a symphony of textures with a warm, gooey center that's sure to delight. To start, we'll need to melt butter and dark chocolate together. This combination forms the rich, indulgent base of our cake. Once melted, set it aside to cool slightly. While the chocolate mixture cools, whisk together eggs, sugar, and a dash of vanilla extract in a separate bowl. This vanilla-infused sweet base will balance the bitter notes of the dark chocolate, creating a tantalizing interplay of flavors. Once whisked to a smooth consistency, it's time to unite our two mixtures. Slowly combine the melted chocolate mixture with the egg and sugar base, stirring gently to ensure a homogeneous blend. Once combined, fold in flour to create a thick, luxurious batter that's ready for baking. Pour your batter into greased ramekins, filling each almost to the top. These will be placed in a preheated oven set at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. The magic number here is 10 to 12 minutes, just enough time for the edges to set, while the center remains irresistibly gooey. The result? An exquisite chocolate lava cake with a molten center that spills out at the slightest touch, creating a dessert as visually stunning as it is delicious. And there you have it, a sweet treat that's sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. Next up is a true delicacy, pan-seared foie gras with balsamic reduction. This luxurious dish is a testament to the beauty of simplicity and the power of quality ingredients. Let's dive into the creation of this gastronomic delight. Begin by selecting the finest slices of foie gras. Foie gras, the fattened liver of a duck or goose, is renowned for its rich, buttery, and delicate flavor. Season these slices generously with salt and pepper, respecting the inherent flavor of this gourmet ingredient. Next, heat a skillet over medium-high heat. Precision is key here, as the pan must be hot enough to sear the foie gras, yet not so hot that it burns. Place the foie gras on the heated skillet and let the magic happen. Sear it for about a minute on each side until it's beautifully caramelized. The result should be a delectable contrast between the crisp exterior and the tender, melt-in-your-mouth interior. Once the foie gras is perfectly seared, it's time to enhance its flavor with a balsamic reduction. Remove the foie gras and set it aside. Deglaze the pan with balsamic vinegar, allowing it to simmer until it reduces to a thick, syrupy glaze. This reduction, with its sweet and tangy notes, is the perfect accompaniment to the rich foie gras. And there you have a truly decadent dish for those special occasions. The pan-seared foie gras with balsamic reduction, a dish that emanates elegance, sophistication, and a tantalizing array of flavors. This is indeed a culinary masterpiece fit for a feast of opulence. Our next dish is the flavorful salmon with dill cream sauce. Bringing gourmet dining to your home kitchen, this delectable salmon recipe is a testament to the elegance of simplicity. The hero of this dish is the salmon fillet, pan-seared to perfection. The process is straightforward, yet the result is a beautifully cooked salmon with a golden exterior, while the inside remains tender and moist. But what gives this dish its distinctive character is the dill cream sauce. This sauce begins its journey with cream as the base, to which we add minced garlic for a punch of flavor. Next, we introduce the star ingredient, the chopped dill. This herb imparts a unique aromatic quality that pairs exceptionally well with the salmon. The sauce takes a tangy turn with the addition of fresh lemon juice, which balances the richness of the cream. And to elevate the sauce even further, we add a splash of white wine. The alcohol in the wine cooks off, leaving behind a fragrance that adds depth to the sauce. The sauce is left to simmer until it thickens to a creamy consistency. The final step is to pour this delightful dill cream sauce over the pan-seared salmon. The sauce not only adds an extra layer of flavor, but also gives the dish a visually appealing finish. And just like that, you have a luxurious salmon dish that's bursting with flavors. And lastly, we have a refreshing berry mascarpone parfait to end our culinary journey. This dessert is as delectable as it is beautiful, with its vibrant layers of flavor. The process begins by combining fresh mixed berries with a rich mixture of mascarpone cheese, powdered sugar, and a hint of vanilla extract. This creamy concoction is the heart of our parfait. The assembly is an art in itself. Start by placing a generous layer of the mixed berries at the bottom of a glass or bowl. Follow this with a smooth layer of the mascarpone mixture. Continue alternating these layers, each one a delicious testament to the balance of tart berries and sweet, creamy mascarpone. The final touch is a dollop of whipped cream, crowning the parfait with its light, airy texture. And of course, a sprig of mint for that pop of color and freshness. There you have it, a delightful dessert that's the perfect end to a luxurious meal. And that wraps up our tour of luxurious and tantalizing recipes. We've seared succulent scallops, savored a truffle mushroom risotto, relished a herb-crusted rack of lamb, indulged in decadent chocolate lava cakes, reveled in pan-seared foie gras, delighted in salmon with a dill cream sauce, and ended on a sweet note with a berry mascarpone parfait. Each dish is a symphony of flavors, offering a memorable culinary experience. Enjoy the extravagance these dishes bring to your table, and always remember, adjust seasoning and ingredients to suit your taste preferences. Until next time.